What's up guys, Big Carl from Brat Bros 410 here to do an unboxing. The awesome people at Prime Moto sent us a box. This is one of their subscription boxes that they do. You can always go online and check them out at Facebook or on Instagram. Awesome people. These are hand-picked products, some of them known, some may be unknown, by the people at Prime Moto. They are also fellow riders, so they know exactly what we want. Looks like got a shirt here, Prime Moto shirt. Also got a Rocky Mountain ATV cup. It's pretty awesome. As well as a hydration pack. Guess they let you go and try it out. I did see that they do sell the big tubs of these. So of course, if you like this, you can get the big tub off their website. They have a lot of things. Just a quick little breakthrough. Not only do they have clothes, they also have riding gear. I saw helmets on there, pants, jerseys. Check it out, dude. Like, they got a whole bunch of stuff. Motorcycle cleaning gear, like a whole bottle of muck off. Whole liter. That's awesome. This subscription box runs $54.99, but if you use Brat Bros 10 and the discount code, you'll get 10% off your whole order, as well as anything online. So if you wanted to order any product that you see, you can go ahead and just go online, check it out on the website, and order that as well. Here we got some Pro Buds. I've seen this stuff before. This helps with the tires. Yep, tire changing soap. That's awesome. Work smarter, not harder. Yeah, dude. A little spray nozzle looks like they give me for the muck off, as well as a sweet sticker. Like I said, this subscription runs for $54.99, and you can get 10% off if you put in Brat Bros 10. Your whole order, even if you order outside of this, if you just wanted to order something else specific off of their website, you can save 10%, Brat Bros 10. This is an awesome deal, guys. For 54 bucks, you're getting over $70 worth. This is a killer deal. So if you're looking for something to even give someone else as a gift, they do gifts. So you can go and order it and send it out to your buddy, your husband, your wife, whoever else is riding with you, whoever else you want to help out, and hook them up. This is a solid deal for $54. Like I said, you can save 10% off if you use my discount code, BratBros10. Check it out, guys. Hope to see you out there.